Hi, thank you for joining the My Medicare Family. We talk about how to enroll in a Medicare insurance plan for 2019. Stay tuned. Let's talk about the Medicare and You guide. This is a free guide that you will get from the federal government. So they mail it out to everybody when you're getting ready to turn 65. You'll get this in your box. It is free. People will say call in or click here to get one and pay money. That's all a scam. It's free. Don't pay for it. If you didn't get one, you can call 1-800-MEDICARE or 1-800-452-4800 to order one. Now, this is the 2019 guide. And if you have the old 2018 guide, you have already been on Medicare for a while. You're going to get one every year. I'm not going to bring them all up, but you're going to get one. And it's going to tell you the changes in Medicare and the different Medicare Advantage plans that are available in your area, which gives you the idea that, hey, I don't need an agent. I can just go through there and find the best or the cheapest plan. Get an agent. We work for you for free. You don't pay extra to have an agent. Call us. We can help you on the phone, through email, or we can have some local agent in your area meet with you face-to-face, however you want to work. But you never pay extra for an agent, okay? It would make sense that you would, but you don't. We're paid by the insurance company. If and only if we help you, they pay us. So don't go alone and make the mistakes. Now, reading the guide would be a great first step. Unfortunately, most of us aren't going to do that. You know, it's like 50 pages and it's like homework. I have read it because I specialize in Medicare, and it's actually great. I give the government a big hats off for how well this is written, how easy it is to understand, the way they've organized it and broken it down. Start reading, give yourself a basic familiarity so that you're not taken advantage of by the system. People can't prey on you for your ignorance because you don't know anything. Skim through it, read some of it, talk to your friends. The first thing is you to do your own homework, okay? Ask your friends, what plan do you have? What do you like? What do you know? If you're savvy with the computer, you might look around on the computer also. But you're going to have to talk to an agent because just in Indiana, so they're going to have hundreds and hundreds of plans right here, just in my zip code, because this is going to be based on where you live, of what plans are available where I live. Now there's big changes in 2019 that are coming to Medicare supplements. The biggest change since they standardized Medicare supplement plans in 1993, which is stop making Plan F, which has been the #1 plan. The majority of people that have a Medicare supplement plan today have a Medicare supplement plan F. If you are going on Medicare for the first time on January 1st or after, you will not be able to get Plan F guaranteed issue. You have to be able to answer the health questions to get it, which if you can, you might want to buy an F. But a lot of people aren't that fortunate when they get ready to retire at 65 and after. They already have some problems. They might already have Parkinson's or COPD, and they are not able to answer the questions to qualify for a Plan F after January 1st. You'll still be able to get Plan G, guaranteed issue. So regardless of your health, you'll be able to get a Plan G. What's the difference between the Plan A, B, C, D, F, G? All the different plans, L, M, N, O, you can find it out in the Medicare and You guide, or you can talk to a local agent, or you can email us, and our number's on the screen, and we can talk to you for free. Just remember, don't be scared of agents. Agents are here to help you. They go through extensive training every year so they can stay up to date on this. And so often you guys are afraid that if you call somebody, they're going to high pressure you into buying something you don't understand. Okay? Medicare insurance agents don't make that much money. It's not a highly commissioned product like an annuity where they're like, I'm going to cram this down your throat so I can make $30,000. People that are doing it love what they do. They love working with the retirees, and they're here to help you. So whether you work with My Medicare Family and the agents that we work with across the country, or an agent that you just pull out of the yellow pages, that totally dates me by saying yellow pages, call an agent, get a free consultation, and get some advice before you make this very important decision. Because the decision you have a small window when you first retire, first turn 65, where nobody's going to ask you about your health. So that's your golden ticket. When you wait past that, then you have to answer all these health questions, and that's what might prevent you from getting certain plans. So start with your Medicare and You guide. If you don't have one, you can email us and we will send one to you, or you can call the federal government and they will send one to you. Check your mailbox. If you're getting ready to retire, it should be in there. So please go into the comments and let me know how I can help you today. This video was free. Thank you for watching. If there's anything else I can do for you, go into the comments, give me your contact information, let us know what we can do for you.